What if cancer cells depend on sugar to survive, but struggle to use another fuel called ketones? Scientists are studying this fascinating metabolic difference to understand whether changing how the body produces energy could influence cancer growth. This idea sits at the center of modern metabolic cancer research. Healthy cells are extremely flexible when it comes to energy. They can use glucose, fat, and even ketones to produce fuel. Inside each cell are mitochondria, tiny power plants that convert nutrients into ATP, the energy that powers every biological process. When glucose is low, healthy cells can switch to burning fat and ketones without difficulty. Ketones are molecules produced by the liver when the body burns fat for energy. This happens during fasting, exercise, or low-carbohydrate diets. The most important ketone is beta-hydroxybutyrate, which circulates through the bloodstream and can fuel the brain, muscles, and many other organs. Ketones are a highly efficient fuel source for healthy cells. Cancer cells often behave very differently. Instead of using mitochondria efficiently, many tumors rely heavily on glucose fermentation, a process called the Warburg Effect. This means cancer cells consume large amounts of sugar to grow rapidly. Doctors actually use this metabolic behavior to detect cancer on PET scans, which highlight areas of high glucose uptake. Because ketone metabolism depends on functioning mitochondria, some cancer cells may struggle to use ketones efficiently. Researchers have discovered that certain tumors have damaged mitochondria or lack key enzymes needed to process ketones. This difference between glucose metabolism and ketone metabolism is one reason scientists are exploring ketogenic metabolic strategies. A ketogenic diet is a nutritional approach that drastically reduces carbohydrates and increases healthy fats. This shifts the body into a state called ketosis, where ketones become a primary energy source. Researchers are studying whether lowering glucose while increasing ketones may create a metabolic environment that is more difficult for some tumors to adapt to. However, research in this area is still ongoing. It's important to understand that ketogenic diets are not a replacement for cancer treatment. They are being studied as a potential supportive metabolic strategy alongside standard therapies like chemotherapy, radiation, and immunotherapy. Always consult medical professionals before making dietary changes during treatment. Cancer metabolism is one of the most exciting areas of modern research. By understanding how tumors use glucose, ketones, and other fuels, scientists hope to discover new ways to weaken cancer cells while supporting healthy tissues. The science of metabolic oncology is just beginning. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights into cancer research.